In this video, I'm going to show you how to bend wires in Tinkercad. Now to do this, first you want to of course start with a wire. I'm going to start with a positive over here. So I'm just going to click, and as you can see, I have the wire. Now I could go and directly connect it. However, if you need or want to bend it, simply click whenever you want, and that's going to bend it. As you can see, when I click, it's going to create a bending point, and I can just go and navigate whenever, and I click on again, and as you can see, it's going to make another bend, and you can make as many of these bends as you want. So if I keep on clicking like this, as you can see, so I'm just keep on clicking, I'm actually bending the wire as much as possible. Now whenever you come to your destination, you can just go and connect it, and you are good to go. Now notice how whenever you actually click on your wire, you'll see these kind of green circles wherever you actually clicked. So these were my clicks, and if you want to adjust these, you can just click and drag them, and you can of course adjust them after you've already connected your wire as well. Okay, so that's how easy it is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.